Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. Today we're going to talk about how to format an MLA paper using Microsoft Word. So these are all the requirements that are normally needed for an MLA formatted paper. So I'm going to go ahead and add some paragraphs here, so it can just be like your essay, and then to indent your paragraphs, you're just going to press tab on your keyboard. It'll be like on the top left corner of your keyboard. And now we're going to create a header, and there are 4 things that are normally needed in an MLA paper for your header. That's going to be your last name, comma, first name, your teacher's name, the course you're taking or your class, and then the due date, not the date that you're working it on. You want to put the date that your paper is due. You're going to leave 1 space in between, so just click the enter key, and now we're going to add a title, center align your text, and add a title. The font does not have to be larger, it doesn't have to be in bold, and then we have to double space our text. You're going to select your font, click design at the top left corner, and then you're going to click paragraph spacing and select double. So now all of your font is going to be spaced out, and now we're just going to add the header all the way at the top of the page, double click, click right align, and you're going to type your last name up at the top right corner. For the bottom, you're going to add page numbers, click insert, and then on the right side, you're going to see this little box that says page number. You want to make sure that it says bottom of the page and that its alignment is on the right. And then you're going to click OK. And now you're going to see the page numbers on the bottom of your page. You have to have Times New Roman 12 size font. So we're going to change our text from Calibri to Times New Roman. And I'm checking to make sure that my font is at 12 size. You want to make sure all of your text is the same font and size. So I'm going to change my header and my page number to Times New Roman and 12 size font. There are some exceptions where you can use Arial font. Just check in with your teacher, your professor, to make sure that that's okay. And then the last step is the works cited page. This is also known as your bibliography, where you're writing all of the sources that you use to write your paper. And all you gotta do is add bullet points, which is at the top of the page. And then you're going to write whatever resources you used in MLA format. I like to use a website called EasyBib, and it just generates all of the resources for me into an MLA format citation. And that's how your final paper is going to look like. Once I zoom it out, this is kind of what I guess like the printed version would look like. So it's just a nice, clean, and perfectly formatted MLA paper. And I'm going to go ahead and check at the end. These are all of the MLA format requirements. Just make sure that you have all of them down and you'll be good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on the next tutorial.